It is almost impossible to believe that during the Stone Age, kids with disabilities were treated as kings. The more disabled or helpless you are, the more you are treated like royalty. Surprising, right? But it is true. A team of researchers led by Eric Trinkhaus, a professor of anthropology at Washington University in St. Louis, discovered a grave site in which they found jewelry, 300 fox teeth, and 10,000 ivory beads in the grave of 2 boys who died 34,000 years ago. Their bodies were found in the Sungir graves in Vladimir, Russia, head to head with 8 other bodies. The 34,000-year-old bones, which are full of valuable things even by today's standards, could explain how disabled people were treated in the past. The disabled children's graves were richer than all the adult graves nearby. Their graves had spears, art, and deer horns made of ivory, as well as thousands upon thousands of ivory beads. Meanwhile, the adult's grave they found only had 3,000 ivory beads, 12 fox canines, 1 stone ring, and 25 ivory armbands. This means that he was given much less than the disabled children. You are probably wondering how the researchers knew the kids were disabled in the first place. Well, through science. The researchers were able to determine that the boys were disabled by studying their skeletal nature. They came to this conclusion after looking at the boys' teeth. They were also able to determine their age. One of the kids was about 12 years old at the time of death, and the other was 10 years old. The bigger boy's teeth were hardly worn down, which was a big deal because this was the Stone Age we are talking about, and people back then hardly cared about dental hygiene and were quick to lose their teeth. A look at the bigger boy's bones also showed that he had been bedridden. Researchers thought that this meant the bigger boy had been fed soft foods. On the other hand, the younger boy's thigh bones were exceptionally bowed and short. Despite their disabilities, both boys experienced a period of extreme stress, which we think was just a normal day or worse Monday for people of the Stone Age. These 2 boys weren't the only people with disabilities known to have been buried around this time. In fact, individuals with degenerative abnormalities are relatively common in the Stone Age. No healthcare or antenatal, so fingers crossed on giving birth to healthy children. That being said, it was uncommon for youngsters to receive this kind of extravagant burial during this period. Researchers were genuinely interested in how different the artifacts in the graves were, because some people only had a few fox teeth and beads made of mammoth tusks, while others had literally nothing. This shows how complicated society was back then, because it proves that people were treated differently in life and death. And in this case, teenagers with disabilities or diseases that would have kept them from fully functioning are given amazing care. Isn't it ironic that humans during the Stone Age were more caring towards their disabled than humans now? If you agree with us, hit the like button. That is all we have for you today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, hit the little bell so you get notified when we post new videos just for you. Thank you for watching. Till next time.